Welcome to Starting Point. Today, we're diving into the elegance of the Aria Resort in Las Vegas, a beacon of sustainability as the only LEED Gold certified resort on the Strip. While its breathtaking architecture, electric nightlife, and top-tier dining options, Aria is not just a stay, it's an experience. Hi, I'm Mark, president of ACI Travel, and I'm here to guide you through a luxurious journey. As we step into the grand lobby of the Aria, the buzz of excitement and opulence greets us at every turn. This venue isn't just a hotel, it's a lavish retreat in the pulsating heart of Las Vegas. Together, we'll uncover the layers of the Aria experience, from its cutting-edge design to its sophisticated charm. As a pioneer in eco-friendly luxury, Aria demonstrates that high-end indulgence and environmental responsibility can indeed go hand in hand. Join me as we experience this dynamic blend of luxury and sustainability. Our adventures at the Aria began with a seamless check-in, whisking us to our spacious suite, a true tech haven, and the start of a luxurious escapade. The suite, elegantly designed, featured a 52-inch LCD TV in the living area and a 42-inch LCD TV in the bedroom. The high-tech experience was elevated by the master tablet system, putting controls of our environment right at our fingertips. As we explored further, the suite's floor-to-ceiling windows framed breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip, turning every moment into a postcard-perfect memory. The bathrooms transformed into a private spa, featuring granite vanities and a walk-in shower with a stone bench alongside an oversized soap tub, complemented by plush robes, a well-stocked minibar. Every detail of our suite at Aria echoed luxury, setting the stage for an unforgettable stay. After exploring our amazing suite, we ventured down to the Aria pool area. And what a sight it was. While not the largest in Las Vegas, the pools present undeniable class and visual appeal. Picture yourself lounging under the sun, surrounded by a vibrant, lively atmosphere, with 3 pools to choose from, including the adult-only liquid pool lounge, a sophisticated spot where the cocktails flow. You can reserve a cabana or gazebo equipped with amenities like lounge chairs, ceiling fans, coffee tables, flat-screen TVs, and poolside Wi-Fi, offering the ultimate luxury. The pools are heated and feature several jacuzzis, flanked by 2 incredible bars. We thoroughly enjoyed the drinks and the live music, enhancing the whole experience. Additionally, Aria's commitment to sustainability is evident throughout, earning it the prestigious 5 Green Keys rating, a testament to its eco-friendly practices. This resort is a foodie's dream, featuring a stellar array of fine dining establishments, from the classic cuts at Jean George Steakhouse, to the French elegance of the Brasserie, to the authentic flavors at Blossom, and the lively Spanish tapas at Julian Serrano's. There's a taste for every palate, and not to mention Proper Eats, their chic food court. Whoa! Let's dive into a few of our favorites. Carbone's Restaurant. Stepping into this restaurant is like being whisked away in a mid-20th century Italian-American bar. The service is impeccable, and the captains, yes captains, these iconic figures deliver a unique dining experience, tending to all our needs. Wow! Definitely added to the restaurant's charm. And the food, wow! Simply divine. Kim and I loved it. We shared the octopus pizziola, the carpaccio, and then we were presented with one of the most unique veal parmesans we ever had. An 18-ounce veal chop, cooked to perfection, and topped masterfully. With an extensive wine list and superb craft cocktail menu, Carbone's is a must-visit. And next, catch! This gem is renowned for its Asian-inspired sushi, seafood, and steaks. The ambience is electric, set by an 80-foot garden walkway that leads to the main dining and bar area. Check out the butterfly that Kim found, pretty cool stuff. And for the food, our shared seafood tower and the discovery, the Cathedral. This Mediterranean sanctuary tantalizes with flavors from South France, Italy, and Greece. The atmosphere is as exquisite as the menu, featuring a grand wine room and expertly crafted cocktails. Kim and I savored the oysters on a half shell and the tuna tartare for starters. Fresh and tasty as can be. Then followed by a Mediterranean lobster rigatoni in a cognac sauce. And Kim had the chicken franchise. Both dishes were presented picture ready and absolutely delicious. This restaurant's majestic interior with its high cathedral ceilings made it an all-around phenomenal dining experience. We wholeheartily recommend this fine dining restaurant and look forward to revisiting it on our next adventure to Vegas. After a great dinner, Kim and I love to hang out. Las Vegas truly becomes alive at night, and the Aria Resort stands at the epicenter of the nocturnal excitement. Let me whisk you away on a tour of the area's vibrant nightlife. At the heart of it all is the Jewel nightclub, a world-renowned venue pulsating with energy. Here, top DJs spin tracks and keep the dance floor buzzing, and the atmosphere is nothing short of electric. If it's the thrill of the nightlife you seek, Jewel's is your destination. But the Aria's allure doesn't end there. Each lounge and bar is a world unto itself, offering a unique vibe. Let me walk you through it. The Alibi Ultra Lounge, a sanctuary for sophistication. The Lift Bar, and our personal favorite, offers some of the best signature cocktails on property and provides a laid-back space to relax and just savor the moment. And the Lobby Bar is an ideal meeting space, the perfect spot for people watching or simply soaking in the Aria's atmosphere. And then the Gem Bar, positioned right on the casino floor, the perfect place to relax and have a before or after dinner drink, or maybe lunch. Let's not forget Aria's sweetest secret, the Easy Cocktail Lounge. This speakeasy lounge is located by the donut shop on the second floor. It's truly one of Aria's best kept secrets. Each of these venues promises a distinct experience, from the high-octane thrill of the Jewel nightclub to the serene intimacy of the Easy Speakeasy. No matter where the night takes you within the area, you're guaranteed to be wowed. After an amazing night of Las Vegas fun, the sun rises and the spa beckons as a sanctuary of healing and serenity. As the largest Forbes 5-star spa in the world, it sprawls across 80,000 square feet with 2 levels of pure bliss. This mega spa offers a diverse menu of treatments, from nurturing skincare routines to smoothing massages. Imagine lying on a Japanese heated stone bed or breathing deeply and enjoying the benefits of an illuminated wall of CO salt bricks. And then step outside to the outdoor therapy pool, a peaceful oasis where you can let the world slip away, or cozy up to the massive fireplace, a warm, inviting space just to unwind. The spa at Aria doesn't stop at relaxation. It's a complete wellness destination with a full-service salon and a state-of-the-art fitness room. Whether you're revitalizing with IV therapy or indulging in a signature spa treatment, Aria Spa is a haven for holistic well-being. A must-visit on any Las Vegas adventure. If retail therapy is your jam, then the Aria's retail shops at the Crystal is your stage. This isn't just shopping, it's a high-fashion extravaganza. Imagine a place where luxury brands rub shoulder under one glittering roof. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dolce, you name it, they've got it. And Kim, she's already there, tapping her foot, trying to charm the door open a tad earlier. Wow, I'm glad she's good at slots. So, whether you're on the hunt for that statement piece or just window shopping, the Shops at Crystal is your ultimate fashion playground. And for you casino enthusiasts, get ready for a jackpot of fun. The Aria's Casino is a sprawling playground. Here's the lowdown. Table game aficionados can revel in a smorgasbord of options. Blackjack, craps, roulette, baccarat, you name it, they've got it. And if you're a slot machine lover like my lovely wife Kim, the choices are endless. But wait, there's more. The Aria Casino isn't just about games, it's an experience. It's not just a gaming floor, it's a luxury lounge where the dice roll smoothly and the good times never end. As our journey through the Aria Resort comes to a close, we're left with an impression of grandeur. From the exquisite pools to the amazing restaurants to the rejuvenating spa and the electric nightlife, Aria is more than just a destination. It's a celebration of the finer things in life. We hope this story has given you a glimpse into the luxury and excitement that awaits you at the Aria. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and living the extraordinary.